New release. Today we're looking at Dnake's H616 indoor monitor, a flexible solution that combines easy installation, great looks, which makes it a standout choice for both residential and commercial projects. And yes, that may seem kind of a unique installation. We're not used to seeing vertical indoor monitor like this one. But don't worry, you also have the option to put it in horizontal view. We just wanted to showcase it to you right now because we find it pretty nice. And before we begin, spoiler alert, there is a big update on the way that will make this device unique in our market and for your projects. Let's start with the specs to understand what we are playing with. The H616 features an 8-inch IPS capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1280x800. This device is powered by Android 10 and it's compatible with a wide range of third-party apps, enabling integration with other smart home systems. It supports high-definition audio and video communication with DoorStation and room-to-room calling via the SIP 2.0 protocol. If you need additional storage, you have access to a built-in TF card slot, and I think it's worth mentioning that you have an optional Wi-Fi support in case you need to connect it in challenging environments where running cables might not be practical. Looking at power options, this includes a PoE port and you can use DC 12 volt depending on the site's requirements. For looks, it has a narrow bezel and it's available in black and silver, so it looks great in any setting. Plus, the monitor's wall-cling design, as you can see here, is an embedded bracket to provide a clean, streamlined installation. And again, about this vertical installation, this is ideal for tight spaces like narrow hallways or near entryways. Easy to fit seamlessly into any environment. And again, the horizontal view is available and this can be changed directly on the monitor. Now, how about we talk about some advanced functionalities? Well, for projects requiring integrated surveillance, the monitor can handle up to 16 IP cameras, providing real-time monitoring right on the screen. It also integrates easily with elevator control systems, making it a suitable solution for multi-floor buildings. Let's see the H616 in action. Here, we've set up the monitor in a residential scenario. So, in that case, with just a few steps, it's connected to the network via PoE. It's paired with the DoorStation that we have here, and it's also able to manage live video feeds from IP camera that we have installed in our studio. Plus, the Android 10 platform also allows users to access additional apps for smart home control, making it again a versatile addition to any security system. And if you watch this video this far, there's a spoiler alert just for you. In the coming months, you'll be able to upgrade this indoor monitor to an actual control panel to manage all your smart home devices. This will give the H616 the leverage to be used for all smart home applications as well as security. So right here on the interface of the H616, we have access to the doors. So this gives you access to the outside intercoms, like the one that we have right here. So you're able to monitor what's happening in front of your building. So I click on doors, and right away you see a picture appear with the camera and OLED in front of the screen. Now, it is two-way communication. We muted so there's no feedback here, but you're able to unlock the door, like you see right here, and welcome people inside. If I go back to the interface, we mentioned you can also integrate with third-party cameras. Just by clicking on the quad splitter that we have here, it will give you the view of our cameras. Right now we integrated one UniView, but you have access to 16 channels of camera for your panel. So by clicking on the UniView camera right here, it gives me a full-size view of the picture, and you can see me right here in front of the screen. So really easy to do. Again, you can do this all through the web viewer interface and gives you the right peace of mind to be secured. And again, it's really user-friendly. As you can see here, I have my 4 main functions, but if I slide on the side, I have a lot more options on my screen. So I have access to my phone book if I want to call different people. I have access to messages, so people can leave messages as well. I have the do not disturb, so this can be used to mute your monitor, not be disturbed during the night, for example. You also have the QR code, so this is for giving temporary passes. You have a security notice right here, so if you want to turn on and off or create zones of security as well. If we go back, you have access to calling the concierge if you have any requests on your building. Elevator control, this is something we mentioned as well, so you're able to integrate with different elevator controls. And you have the SOS right here to call for help. Going inside the settings, so this is where you would also change the user interface. Really easy to do. Right here you have user interface at portrait. I would just change it to landscape, and this way you would have the horizontal view. If I go inside intercom, this is where I would change the system volume. As you can see, I will put up my intercom volume higher. So we put it down to avoid the feedback as we mentioned before. You can change the ringtone and a lot of different options here. Same thing with the date and time and language. So you have access to multitude of languages right here. So you're not stuck with just the English one. As you can see, there's a lot. Last time when I was testing it, I actually hit something and it was kind of hard to feel my way back. But again, as you can see, it's just that there's a lot of language to play with right here. So that's pretty much what you can find inside the interface of the H616. For some of you out there, Dnake might still seem like a new player on the game, but they've been on the market for very long. They're just new in North America. And honestly, with what we are seeing right now, it's a pretty good product. As you can see again, this can be used for your smart home, as well as professional security like the intercom that we have on the table right here. Not only that, but it also works with third-party cameras like the one we have installed. So with that, you have access to all the smart home applications you need, but you also have the peace of mind of professional security. Again, guys, we're Pipl System, and we'll see each other on the next one.